building?
Those art detailing.
They were laughing at the music.
So there's no columns. Is it a different kind of Beaux art? So it's not neoclassical.
It's more like the palazzo with the rusticated base and then columns up above.
Oh, I can see the columns now. There are columns up there. Way up there. Okay.
Ionic columns.
It looks so much different on the slide. We're sitting in Lewis building, 1914. Steel frame with terracotta cladding. Used to have stone on the base. What is that make you do? But that's not original.
Things that are of interest. If you look over this way, you can see at the low scale, the auditorium building. This is the Frederick Hanson White building, the one that I like a lot. Notice it's domestic scale, as it were. And then there's the very tall, award-winning, I'm sure, Mark O. Hatfield U.S. Courthouse. So, which is really a complete change in scale. There's something behind it that isn't quite as tall. But this really overwhelms the viewer, certainly overwhelms the neighborhood. So, if you want to be philosophical about the whole thing, you got a Band-Aid?
Here, start over.
No. Stay away.
1920s parking garage. Obviously, if you want to get on the teacher's good side, you say that this is an awful idea. Well, it wasn't a parking garage in the beginning. What was it? We don't know.
We're going to look at a small collection of parking garages because there seems to be something says the car. So if you look down there, there's one that's a little more decorative. Here we get what's called architecture of roots, raw concrete, and then as we go up the next one block, you see what I have a photograph of each building that's been sweated. So if you want to start with that
Architecture.
Well, if you're on
There's the gate with some water. This is the original gate of the Portland Hotel. And the picture.
really right in the center. Because this would be the big hotel. There's the courthouse with the wings. And the other thing is, we're really in A.E. Doyle lane. Because we did Myron Frank, American Bank Building,
A.E. Doyle did this thing. And this thing.
shop. So he wanted the latest thing.
Redone in 1920. Terracotta glazed black. skyline.
7.
Number 7. Big Bank is by A.E. Doyle. We'll be there in a couple of weeks. Oh, she said it displays terracotta details
on that one.
of the Morgan building.
Not as sturdy.
Not as sturdy. But this one is Richardsonian Romanesque. Do you know which building this is? It's on the corner of Washington and Broadway. And then it's beside another building. It's very interesting.
So what I want you to do is
Admire the terracotta detailing. To the top.
And you get a grade for it. Yeah.
Way up there.
the pillars and the columns that's terracotta.
So it's 3 materials? Or is that cement on the corners? What is this?
Some been restored.
Huh. What is this one down here? Oh, go ahead, sorry.
Okay, what is what?
What is this one right here?
I can't remember.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Oh no, I'm sorry. This is the Morgan building, number 4. Sorry. This is Pietro Bellucci, 1947. Across the street is the PDX Class.
This tall building over here behind the pine tree is also Doyle. And that roof, you can see the little amphibian on the roof right over there. That's the Morgan building. That's A.E. Doyle. Too bad no one wants to do A.E. Doyle. A lot of material. But anyway, think about how these buildings contribute to Portland presenting itself in a really powerful way. And I think I asked you to pick 2 or 3 buildings that you thought were extremely good examples of the city presenting itself in a positive